guys, it is Sonia of Junk Monkey Paint Company, and today we're going picking. But it ain't a junk shop. Instead, it's a dollar store. Because I'm just convinced that if junkin' and picking and treasure hunting and finding treasures that people spend a lot of money for, but you find for like half price, a fraction of the price, if you are in that vein of things, you are probably like me, and you also love a good dollar store, right? Leave me a comment below if that is entirely you. So this trip actually came out of one of you guys who messaged me. You saw my backsplash that I painted, repainted with Junk Monkey paint, glazed it, you know, that project that we did at my shop kitchen. And one of you guys messaged me and you were like, Sonia, you should totally like go and get one of just those cheap glass pretty soap dish holders for your liquid hand soap, because mine was just kind of sitting right there. My Palmolive was sitting right there. And I thought, you know what? That's a great idea. Let's go out and see what we can find for cheap, because you know, I'm a girl on a budget. And I have to say that one of my favorite dollar stores, do you guys have this one in your area? One of my favorites is called the Dollar Tree. Not sponsored, just I love it. I'm taking you in with me. So I'm in the parking lot today. We're about to go inside. What I love is when you need some retail therapy, like, girl, you got $10 in your pocket, go to the Dollar Tree and you can get some really nice just things to freshen up your space. So today I'm going to go in, I'm going to look in, like, in particular, I'm on a mission to find something cute to hold my dish soap for on my counter, my kitchen counter at my shop. But also I'm going to go hunt and see what's out there for spring decor at the Dollar Tree, because I haven't been here in months and months and months, so I don't know what's new that they have out on their shelves. But let me just tell you, they can do some super cute stuff. Like, you can find some really nice stuff at the Dollar Tree. Anybody else like just totally agree with that? So I'm gonna go in and browse and see what we can find, and I'll show you what I find. But let's go. All right, guys, I'm gonna put you this way so you can see my haul. All right, and so we can chit chat together. Lean in, lean in. That's when you share the good things with your friends. So I found some good stuff today and spent a total of like $12 big dollars. $12. $12 bought me a whole lot of good junk, a whole lot of little things that I love that makes my heart go pitter patter, and bought me a whole lot of satisfaction and just fun today. If you are shopping for Mother's Day or just for yourself, just go browse like a dollar store like this. Don't break the bank, but just if you're like me, just bringing one new thing into your space, just makes you feel like the space is refreshed, or at least you just get that desire to want to clean the space, you know? I find a soap dispenser. Yes, I'll save that one for the end. All right, so this is the first thing I got, was some tissue paper. Look, guys, it's got unicorns on it, and it's got like that really pretty teal green, like a Bahama Jade kind of color, bear dance, you know, raising the bar, all those junk monkey colors that we would know and be familiar with. So this is gonna be perfect for my paint and pretty paper sessions. Look what I found in there. They've got this really cool thing. It's called a stencil wheel. Has anybody ever seen one of these before? I just thought it was brilliant. And so it has, let me see on the back, it has, like, you can see all the stencils back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little like feather slash, actually they're all feathers. Yeah, I was gonna say a leaf, but they're all feathers, which is awesome because I love me some boho shabby, and so you can always incorporate feathers. So what you do is you just move it around and it gives you this different style feathers, and I just thought it was brilliant. So for $1, you can believe this is gonna go into my stencil stash. You saw in my video that I came across these awesome stickers. You know, I love me some mixed media. I love to work in my junk journal, paint, and just pictures and pretty papers and designs. And I found these for $1 a piece. I especially love, like, this one's got more color, definitely more springy, and then this one just feels a little bit more chalkboard and just muted and matte. I love, love, love this. I found this as well because I'm a girl boss, you know what I'm saying, and I like me some pretty stuff. So I'm always having folders around my shop, and they have like they have a whole line of different patterns in there. And they're really, really cute. But of course, I had to grab me the owl one right here. And so what you do is you just kind of like fold it up. Can you see right here? It shows you how you fold it up, and then it becomes a place where you just put your folders in, and that way they're all in one area. I also got this little tin right here. You probably saw when I was giving you guys a quick view of like some of the spring designs that they have. I love this. Shabby roses, polka dots, and stripes. Those are probably my main go-to that I love. And this thing had a pop of color. I thought this would be perfect for my pens and pencils, you know, next to my desk, or I could put my paintbrushes into it, but I just thought it was super cute. Again, just something that makes me happy to have in my space. And when I have like a happy creative space, it literally makes me happy to sit down and create. So I got these for $1 a piece. Well, I don't even have to say $1 a piece. It's a dollar store. Everything's $1. Flowers and garden. I love this galvanized bucket. These are not cheap. Like if you go to hardware stores and try to buy these, they cost a fortune, okay? A small fortune. So I decided to get this little one right here. I thought it was super cute. And again, I can put anything I want in there. I can use it to like just fill with stuff that I have around. I could use it for a planter, maybe even like stab a few holes in the bottom if I wanted to do that. But I thought it was going to be more for decorative purposes, like spring decorative. So, but you can't have too much storage. I also found this guy here, same idea, just different shape. Isn't that pretty? I mean, you could just put a little bit of like one of those sponge bricks in here and put some florals on the top of it. You could go out and pick some, or you could just use some plastic ones that you find. Some succulents. Oh, and who saw those succulents in that video? For like, oh, love them. They're so cheap. So then I got these 2 rolls of paper. Guys, I'm going to tell you right now, if you want pretty paper for cheap, just keep checking back to your dollar stores, because this is gift wrap, right? In somebody else's eyes. In my eyes, this helps me create beautiful drawer fronts. If I want to add pretty papers onto a painted dresser, if I want to tear it up and, you know, work it into some sort of paint effect, I can do that as well. Blue shabby flowers, and it's got like, what color? I guess I would call the color like maybe Misty Aqua, Liberty Blue, and I Love You More, for those of you again who know the Junk Monkey paint color line. It just made me feel oceany. It's got like, almost looks like watercolored print, right? So pretty. Ta-da! Enter da monkey. Guys, you have sent me in like the little utensil holder coasters that you'd put on your stove, you know, from when you're cooking, you just drop your spoon into it, that sort of thing. And I didn't realize that there was a monkey soap dispenser as well. So you know what? I got it. And this is going to go in my kitchen at my shop. I don't think I could have found a better soap dispenser for $1. So I also grabbed this little monkey toothbrush holder too, because I thought it was just darn cute. So I feel like I did good. Like I got a lot for $12, right? I got a whole lot of happiness there. I think those were great finds. Get out. Just like, you know, go to the junk store, go to the dollar store, just see what you can find. And like I say, if you need gifts for anybody coming up, I'm going to tell you, they just have such beautiful stuff in there. You can just put together a nice little I'm thinking of you gift pack for somebody, and find some really cool extra supplies for your paint creations. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, I am out of here. here today. I'll see you back again tomorrow because I am a daily vlogger, so check back for my daily vlogs. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up, and you know what? It would mean the world to me if you would leave me a comment below. Was this a good haul? Did you like what I found? Tell me what you thought of what you saw into my local Dollar Tree store. Are you a frequenter of dollar stores like me? Tell me below. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.